Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural skin lightening body wash. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So to get started, I have my castor soap measured out. Below this video, I'll drop the link on how to make this castor soap at home. And if you've not watch the video before coming back to this particular lightening body wash. So the first oil I have here is my jojoba oil. I have it measured out. Then I added my kojic dip. This is oil soluble, that's why I added it to this jojoba oil. And I'm going to make sure I mix very well to dissolve it completely. So this body lightening wash will help fade dark spots and lighten your skin as well. So the next powder I'm adding here is my vitamin B3. It also helps in smoothing your skin. So I'm going to mix it, and the next thing I'm doing now, I'm going to add it to my castor soap. And at this point, you will notice that your soap will get thicker, and that's because of the kojic dip added to it. Here are the measurements and ingredients on the screen. You can do a screenshot for it. So after mixing it very well, the next I'm adding is my natural powders. The first I'm adding is my goat milk powder. And after which I'm adding my rice powder. And I'm going to mix very well to make sure there is no particles or lumps in my body wash. So after mixing for some while, I'm going to add my honey. I'm adding my organic honey to this, and I'm going to mix it. Honey is also good on the skin. I'm going to mix to combine it very well. So after mixing, the next I'm adding is my makeup powder, just to give it the beautiful glowing color. So I'm going to mix very well. At this point, you can add your fragrance oil or your essential oil, but I'm not using it for this particular tutorial. And here is what a natural body wash looks like. So this will last me for 1 month, so I'm not adding preservative. But if you're making a quantity more than this, make sure you add your preservative to it. So guys, here is our natural skin lightening body wash. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them, and let me know your comments and what's your thoughts below this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.